What is a tracking pixel and how do you set it up in ClickFunnels? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video, and we're going to use ClickMagick to do it. So stay tuned. It's about to be some fun, y'all. What's up, guys? This is Kirshana, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. So happy that you're here. Hey, this channel is all about making money online. I like to create videos on that. I also like to do different trainings and tutorials on tools and strategies that you can use in your business and get paid from. So if you want videos like that, definitely, hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell notification button because whenever I upload a video, that's how you're going to be notified. If you're looking for a way to make full-time income, but you want to enjoy your life, you want to make money from home, you want to make money from your computer, you want to make money while you're on a vacation, while you're chilling with your family and your friends, that's passive income, my friend. And my #1 recommendation for passive income to make money from home is going to be in the description below. It's the first link there. So when you click on that, it's going to take you to a website where you can learn exactly how to create a full-time income and work from your computer. Now let's dive into tracking pixels and how to get it set up in ClickFunnels. But we're going to use ClickMagick to set up the tracking pixel. But before we get into that, I want to make sure that you understand what a tracking pixel is and the purpose of the tracking pixel. Now, a tracking pixel is a piece of graphic or code that you put on your funnel or on your website, and it basically tracks people's actions. So it collects data and fires as soon as it goes through each stage in your funnel or website, so you know if how many people went through the entire funnel or if they stopped at a specific phase in your funnel. Now, what does this do for you? It gives you the data that you need to make provisions as needed. For instance, if you have 100 people that went to your funnel and 100 people opt in, great, you're at 100%. Maybe you don't need to make any changes to your capture page. But if only 20 people out of that 100 makes it to your sales page, then that means you may want to take a look at your sales page, make some tweaks, optimize it so more people will move forward in your funnel. Remember, your funnel is how you get leads, it's how you get sales, and you want to make sure that it's operating properly, it's performing the way that you want. So ClickMagick and that tracking pixel inside of the funnel or website gives you the data to show you what's going on, what are people doing inside of that funnel, that website, and it lets you know if it's working or not. Okay, so we're in our ClickMagick account here, and I have already created the test link that we're going to use. If you don't know how to create a tracking link in ClickMagick, then look up at the suggested videos, and you will see the video that you can click on, and I'll show you how to create a link or tracking link. But we're going to use this link as an example. And what we need to do now is we need to create our tracking pixel. So we're going to go to Tools, go to Tracking Pixel, go to Pixel Builder, and everything is default here. You can make changes if you feel necessary, but everything is already set up. We have our action, engagement, and sales. We're just going to use the actions for this example. And you want your HTML to be in the footer of ClickFunnels, and I'll show you that here in a moment. JavaScript pixel can go anywhere, and you can actually scroll down here to find out the difference between the two pixels, HTML and JavaScript. But for the sake of training, I'm not going to go through that. So I'm going to use a JavaScript. So all I'm going to do is switch this to JavaScript, and as you can see, the code looks totally different than it would if it's a HTML. Okay, so what we need to do next is copy this. We're going to go to ClickFunnels, and this is the funnel that we're going to use. Now, I'm not going to put the tracking pixel on my opt-in page because obviously when they opt in using their email address, then they're going to be on my list. I don't want to track that. What I want to track is the thank you page. So whatever page you want to put the tracking pixel on, you have to be on that page. So I'm going to click on the thank you page. And guys, there's gonna be a link down below for ClickFunnels as well. But next, you want to click on Edit Page and go to Settings, go to Tracking Code. Okay, now as you can see here in the footer, I already have the tracking pixel here. Okay, the JavaScript, remember, you can put in the header or the footer, doesn't matter. For the HTML, you want to put it in the footer. So what I like to do after I add the code, I always want to click Save, and I like to double check to make sure that it's in there. So we've double checked, we're all good to go. Now we are going to go back to ClickMagick, and we want to test this out. So I'm going to take this link, put it in another tab, and I'm going to opt into this funnel. All right, so now we have opted in. Now we're going to go back to ClickMagick. I'm going to save this. It's going to automatically refresh. And as you can see, we have the total clicks, the unique click, 1 of 1, but this is what we're tracking, the action, okay? So we have 1 here, and we also have the action conversion rate. So my action conversion rate is 100%. And as you get your opt-ins, you'll see these numbers change. But the reason why you see this action pixel or this action number is because as soon as I opted in, I went straight to the thank you page, and the pixel fired and the numbers reflected here. So that's it for today's training about tracking pixels and how to add them to ClickFunnels. I am going to leave a link below for ClickMagick for you to grab that. You definitely need it if you're online, guys. You got to track everything. There's a 14-day trial, so that'll be in the link below. It'll say ClickMagick. And also ClickFunnels. We didn't talk a lot about ClickFunnels, but that's what I use to build landing pages, my opt-in pages, all of my funnels. You know, there's a lot of different capabilities that you have with ClickFunnels. So again, there's a 14-day trial for that as well. Hey, if you liked this video, definitely let me know in the comments. Tell me what stood out to you the most. Hit the like button on this video, share it out, okay? But most importantly, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell notification button so you'll always be notified whenever I upload a video. So I'll see you guys on the next one.